Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I am Raida Ann, and the topic that I will be chosen as the last, which is the effective public speaking. So here are some questions during lectures. So first is what was your initial understanding of the topic? So basically, one of my initial understanding on this topic was public speaking as involved recognizing that it's not just about delivering a message, but also about creating a meaningful connection with the audience. It also required empathy and understanding the audience and need and perspectives. Additionally, effective public speaking is involved not only a verbal communication but also non-verbal cues such as body language and tone of voice. So, in order for us to convey the message to the audience, so kailangan we are totally prepared and confident tayo mag-speak sa harap ng maraming tao. So next is, how does the connect to your personal experience or beliefs? So this topic also connected to my personal experience kasi basically naranasan ko din magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao at hindi ko rin maiwasan na hindi magkamali or mabulol when nagsasalita. Especially kapag hindi ka sanay or wala ka masyadong confidence sa sarili mo. So, I can say through this topic or lesson, parang nagkaroon ako ng idea na I have to be a good when it comes to public speaking kasi I am the future social worker. So, kailangan ko i-build up yung confidence ko na masanay at i-avoid yung mga negative thoughts sa isip ko at maging maganda yung flow ng pagsasalita ko sa harap ng maraming tao. Is, can you relate the topic to any real-world situations or current event? So, recently, noong Friday, April 19, 2024, nag-conduct kami ng seminar within our school din sa CSU. So, I am the one of the guest speaker in that activities. So, I can relate this topic kasi being a guest speaker, kailangan you are fully prepared and organize lahat ng gagawin mo. At the same time, yung mga sasabihin mo sa harap ng maraming tao. At kailangan the way ka magsalita is clear and very understandable. At syempre, meron kang connection doon sa mga audience mo, sa participants, sa learners mo, para hindi sila maboring at hindi magkaroon ng confused or di sila ma-confuse sa mga sasabihin mo. So, being a guest speaker, so kailangan meron kang connection at maintindihan talaga ng mga audience kung ano yung mga sasabihin mo kasi hindi ka lang basta-basta magsasalita lang, but also meron din silang learning na makuha doon sa mga sasabihin mo. So next, were the interesting or surprising things you learn about this topic? So, my interesting and surprising things I learned about this topic is public speaking is hindi lang basta-basta ka lang magsasalita sa harap ng maraming tao or sa audience, but also to create a meaningful message with the audience. So, additionally, isa rin sa mga natutunan ko and I think interesting this topic as sa non-verbal communications kasi hindi lang verbal communication yung nai-involve dito sa public speaking but also the non-verbal communications kasi this is very significantly impact to the audience perceptions of the speaker that message is being conveyed. Next, how does insight impact your perspective or understanding? So, the impact of this insight in my perspective and understanding is parang mas nagkaroon pa ako ng idea, ng learning, and more insight na mas i-empower ko pa yung sarili ko at i-encourage pa na magkaroon pa ng lakas ng loob at magtiwala sa lahat ng bagay at sa hindi lang sa pagsasalita sa harap ng maraming tao but also sa mga bagay na pwede ko pang magawa in the future. So, I think yun yung mga isa sa mga naging impact ng topic na to para sa akin. So next, how can you what you have learned from this topic in your daily life or future studies? So I will apply my learning from this topic in my daily life or my future studies, because being a future social worker, inshallah, kailangan ma-apply natin yung topic na to, which is the effective public speaking, kasi we are dealing with community, we are dealing with individual, we are dealing with people. So, the way tayo mag-speak sa kanila, kailangan alam natin yung bawat word na sasabihin natin sa kanila at ma-carry out nila yung bawat advices, or the way tayo mag-speak sa kanila is may learn sila na makukuha sa atin. Especially kapag nagkakandak tayo ng program sa community, so, or even sa pagbibigay ng advice, so kailangan sa being a social worker, alam natin na kailangan ma-apply natin yung public speaking, kasi nagiging advantage din ito sa atin na mas maging magaling sa lahat ng sasabihin natin sa mga tao. So the last one is, what are key takeaway or lessons you have learned from the topic? So the key takeaway or lessons I have learned from this topic is effective public speaking is not just about delivering a message to the audience, but also it is involved empathy and understanding among the audience. So na-mention ko to kanina in the first questions sa video na to. So additionally, as a social worker, public speaking is highly relevant for the various aspects for the professions. And another thing is, this is very much important na magaling tayo sa public speaking in order for us to help our client, our community, the individuals. So the essential, this is very essential, or this is very much important na merong tayong learning or alam natin yung public speaking na sinasabi. So that will be all. Thank you.